Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn type number 5 related to Laplace transform. Basically, what is type number 5? Based on trigonometric result. Based on trigonometric result. To understand this type, you have to remember 4 important trigonometric result. Which are they? The first one is sin A into cos B, which is nothing but equal to, the formula is what? 1 upon 2 inside the bracket sin of A plus B plus sin A minus B. Already we had discussed this formula in first lecture. The second important formula related to the trigonometric function is what? Cos A into sin B, which is nothing but equal to 1 upon 2 sin of A plus B minus sin A minus B. The third formula is cos A into cos B can be given by 1 upon 2 cos of A plus B plus cos A minus B. And the last formula is what? Sin A into sin B, which is nothing but equal to minus 1 upon 2 inside the bracket cos of A plus B minus cos A minus B. So to understand this concept, you need to remember 4 important trigonometric results. Am I right? So now in today's lecture, as I told you, we are going to solve the problem based on type number 5. So let's consider first example to understand this type. What is given? We have to find out Laplace of sin 3t into sin 2t. Okay, this is the given example. Now you need to check which formula you are going to apply as per the result number 4. If it is sin A into sin B, the given example is sin A into sin B. So what is the value of A is given in this particular example? A is equal to 3t, B is equal to 2t. So how you are going to find out the Laplace transform of this particular result? Laplace of sin A into sin B is nothing but equal to 1 upon 2 inside the bracket cos of A plus B. As I told you, A is 3t, B is 2t. So what is A plus B? Cos of 5t. Similarly, if I consider cos of A minus B, so minus cos t. I hope you have understood how to apply the formula. Now you can separate out the term. We can take minus 1 upon 2 outside the bracket. What is there inside? Laplace of cos phi t minus Laplace of cos t. So if you are going to take the Laplace of cos phi t as per the standard result, Laplace of cos phi t is nothing but equal to s upon s square plus phi square, that is 25, and Laplace of cos t is given by s upon s square plus 1. I hope you have understood how to apply the standard trigonometric result to get Laplace transform in type number 5. The second example is what? Find the Laplace of cos phi t into sin t. From the given result, can you just identify which formula you are going to apply? As per the standard result, if you observe carefully, cos A into sin B. So you have to apply formula number 2. So can you apply that formula? So the first one is, as per the formula, you need to write down 1 upon 2 inside the bracket sin of A plus B, so which is nothing but equal to sin 60 minus sin of A minus B, so sin 40. So how you are going to find out the Laplace of this particular term? Sin 60 minus sin 40. As you know that Laplace of sin 80, the standard result is what? A upon s square plus a square. So in this particular example, Laplace of sin 60 can be given by 6 upon s square plus 36 minus 4 upon s square plus 16. I hope you have understood type number 5, which is based on trigonometric result. So to remember this type, you need to remember 4 important trigonometric result, or we can say that formulas. So thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.